Once you've figured out what the right executable objectives to focus on are, you need to be sure that everything is being done to achieve them. To guarantee this, you need to do two simple things. 1. Make someone responsible, that is, assign a lead. And 2. Keep that person accountable. For example, regularly review progress in a one-on-one. Only one person can be responsible. As the saying goes, if multiple people are responsible, no one is. When multiple people are responsible, things become chaotic. In other words, there can only be one lead for an objective. Even though there can only be one lead for an objective, that doesn't mean that the lead is the only person working on it. In most cases, the lead will need the help of several others to complete initiatives that will hopefully drive progress for the OKR. The people that work on those initiatives are called the contributors. It can happen, of course, that one person can achieve the OKR all by him or herself. This happens often in smaller organizations. If it happens in larger organizations, then it can only have two causes. One, the organization is using OKR for people performance management, which is a terrible mistake. OKR is about the organization, not about an individual employee. Or 2, the OKRs are tasks and/or so small in scope that every employee ends up leading 1 to 3. This creates a huge and unnecessary administrative burden, and is also why Spotify and many others abandoned them.